Hey folks, was in a bit of a rush this morning. We did get a signal on USD CAD here. As you can see, the market has pushed down. And we'll just come in here and take a look at this. It is March 8th, 11:06. About 20 minutes before I would want to stop trading. We did have Fed Chair Powell testifies. I want to show you guys this so you can see that we haven't taken anything new. Last trade we took was on March the 6th, as you can see there. Let's come back over here and we'll go ahead and close that trade out. We made about $6.35 on that trade. Again, we went ahead and took this one. Future prediction is pointing down overall. And also we had multiple tests at this level right here. We have the arrow and then the market came back and we had the order to enter a short trade right here in this bar. All right, so happy I was able to take a trade today. Wasn't able to take any trades yesterday, mainly because, let's come back and take a look. You can see the market right here. Fed Chair Powell testifies. We had that news right here, and it gave us a spike, and that spike took us out of the grid, and it didn't really come back in. As you can see, the market just kind of continued floating up, and it was the same pretty much across the board. And likewise, we did have that same news today. You can see here, had a huge spike right here. And luckily today, we were still in the grid. And so we can come here and we can see we're still in the grid on most of these. I think on all of them actually. And this one right here, unfortunately, we've been outside of the grid a little bit of the time, but we're currently back in. So I'll only be taking buy trades on USD Japanese yen. All right, so happy to see that we got one trade set up today that we were able to take. Hopefully we'll have a few more tomorrow. I think tomorrow might be non-farm payroll. Actually, give me 1 second. Let me pull that up. All right, today is the 8th, and as you can see here, where is it at? At 10 o'clock, Fed Chair Powell testifies, and yesterday, the 7th, we should be able, here it is, Fed Chair Powell testifies. So that's the reason I didn't take anything yesterday. And today, I was not planning on taking anything, like I said, but just happened to notice that we just got this USD CAD order. And unfortunately, as I was trying to get my trading software set up, the box disappeared, and I have no idea where I can go in to pull up the previous signals. So I'm guessing on our next where is it at? All right, so in about 30 seconds we should be getting another pop-up, and you guys will be able to see that I'm not just making this up, that we actually did get a USD CAD order. And wow, that is really pushing. But let's quickly take a look. And let's see. Yep. So Friday's non-farm payroll. Thursday at 10 o'clock, we don't have Fed Chair Powell testifies. We do have unemployment claims at 8:30, but by the time I start trading, that should be passed. Usually don't get started until about all right, let's take a look here. And as you can see, at the 11:05 mark, we had that USD CAD short, which is what we took here. And so they're giving us another signal to go short right here. You can see here USD CAD. And on this particular instance, if we get a pullback to that level, I'll jump into this trade. But the move is, we've already had a big move, so I'm not just going to jump in right here. I'm going to wait on a pullback, and if we get it, we'll go ahead and jump in on this trade. All right, I'm going to pause it. And again, we only have about 20 minutes before I shut things down for the day. So we'll see if we can't get another few trades. I'll be back. All right, folks, as we can see here, just got filled on this trade. Market came back, entered us into this trade. And as always, we'll go ahead, enter a stop. And we'll enter, if I can get it to move, a take profit here. But as always, we're going to be waiting for about $5 or $6 in profit. And again, this is our second trade on USD CAD. We just got a sell signal. We waited for a pullback and we got entered right here at this level, which looks to be about the same level we entered previously. And we're about 2 minutes out from a new bar. All right, so the market seems to just be bouncing around at this level right here. Most likely I'll put a pending here. If it does push past this sort of level, we'll go ahead and get a better entry right there. And if it decides to reverse and come back down, we'll go ahead and take our $5 or $6 in profit. All right, let me go ahead and pause it and I'll come back once something happens. All right, just a quick update. It's 11:15. We just got another sell signal on USD CAD, as you can see there. All right, I'll be back. All right, it is now 11:20. Let's go ahead and take a look at this new signal, USD Swiss franc buy. Let's take a look at that. All right, so we are indeed looking for a buy. And as you can see, this right here is slowed up quite a bit. So I think on this trade, maybe buying the limit right there. I would personally like to see this level get tested. So as always, well, not as always, but in this instance, we're going to wait on a bit of a move back instead of just entering a buy order right here. Let's wait on a pullback there. See if we can test this level again. And here, the market is still just bouncing up and down, waiting on it to pick a direction. So we'll continue to watch it, and I'll be back momentarily. All right, folks, just a quick update. You can see here, USD CAD, $5, $6. We're going to take it. $6.71. You can see there, $6.71. All right, let's go ahead and go back over to, where is it at here? All right, so we're interested in this USD Swiss franc trade. And we'll go ahead and get out of that USD CAD pending order. And so again, with this one, we're waiting on this to, and actually, you know what? We're getting very close to 11:30 when things really start to slow down. It's already about 11:24, so I think I'm going to call it a day. Like I said, the last 2 days, we've had some pretty heavy news events that really kind of made the market go a bit wonky. And so we're going to call it a day, hopefully tomorrow. And we would have been entered right there about. So yeah, we would have entered right there. And 5 pips, 6 pips, we'll say right to the top of this area right here. We got less than 60 seconds until the new signal pops up. So I'm just curious to see here if the market would have quickly gone back or gone up to that profit target. All right, about 15 seconds till the new bar. And we're just going to, out of curiosity, see if we get a push up here. All right. So we got the new bar. Didn't get any new signals, but look at that. got entered right at this level, and we're at 5 pips right there. 6 pips. All right, so yeah, we definitely 7 pips. So we definitely would have been able to take 8 pips. We definitely would have been able to take a profit on this particular trade. Right now, about 7 pips. All right, gonna end it there. And before I do, just a reminder, guys, make sure you join or subscribe to Dennis. This is his product, so it's definitely good to watch him trade with it. You know, I've been watching the new videos that come out, and definitely good to see him profit with it. There's a lot we can learn from that. All right, it's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on tomorrow's update. Take care.